Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finish the Gossip Dream Bubble task in Heartopia. So, talk to Bailey first, and basically, Bailey's gonna tell you to find the dream bubble. Now, you are just going to head over to Art Street, like so, and you're going to go to the place where the piano is. Um, it says, want the bubble that lives in the melody river, will it appear after hearing piano music? So you're just going to play anything on the piano. I was a little bit confused at first on what to do. I was like, just play the piano, duh. So play the piano, anything, you can just press one note if you'd like to, but I just played like a few notes here. And then as you can see, the bubble will appear on the piano and you're just going to jump. And that's it. That's the gossip task completed. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.